Hey guys, I'm Jenni and this is the second episode of my 7-day styling routine for fine, wavy hair. We'll be going over how to properly condition your hair. Tools you'll need for today's video: alligator clips and a wet brush. Step 1. Ensure your hair is thoroughly saturated from roots to ends. Step 2. Section your hair into 2 sections from front to back. Step 3. Applying conditioner. Emulsify conditioner in your palms and then apply with a praying hand motion down each side. During this step, we are just laying the conditioner on the hair. Don't worry about working it in quite yet. Step 4. Clip for control. Clip off one side to keep that section out of your way while you work the conditioner into the opposite side. Step 5. Detangling. Gently brush out knots section by section, working from the ends towards the scalp. If you want more volume and movement, brush from underneath each section. If you want to avoid volume, brush on top of each section. Oftentimes, fine hair has the tendency to easily knot. To remedy this, keep adding water as you work through your sections. Here, you can see me literally putting my hair under the stream of water to help me remove knots quicker and more easily. Step 6. The final step. Yay! Dilute conditioner. Here, I ball up the ends of my hair and rinse my scalp. I do this to remove all the conditioner from my scalp to maximize time in between wash cycles and to leave just a bit of conditioner in my ends because those girls are thirsty.